Hello there, you guys. Just finished my potato dinner here in the sunset. Thought I'd put this on Instagram. There's the picture, a little bit too much HDR, I guess, or effects, but I don't know, looked nice. Right, let's go. I'm just gonna do a relaxing drive here with the Scania g440. Just so you guys can enjoy it. And I'm fully loaded. Truck 26 tons. Trailer, I don't know, probably 60 tons or something. Because I have 54 pallets, yeah. I bulked 2 times. Yeah. Really heavy stuff. That sunset, that's beautiful. That's one upside at least of doing evening job. It's the sunset. Oh, and that picture on Instagram with the swan and the sunset and the water, that's actually right beside my work at the beach there. They have a beach right beside. So sometimes if I go to the terminal early and then I try and time it so that I don't know, I just drive out with the truck and I go and relax at the beach and enjoy the sunset, sungaze a little bit. It's really cool. It makes me so energized. Many people have reported that about sungazing, getting loads of energy. And it does really work, I think. But I don't recommend you just staring at the sun, it's really dangerous. Oh shit, I didn't see him, man. Wow. Jeez, that's so dangerous. Oh shit, I didn't see him, man.